Hi there, in this tutorial we are going to take a look at the Android app called the aPowerSelf Pager Remover. Let's explore the app. This app offers amazing features including auto eraser, extra mode, create transparent background library, and save photos with original quality, and many more. First thing, head out to your Play Store on your device and search for the app and have it installed. Open the app and log in to try the 3 free trials. To start editing, click the Remove Background button to import the photo you want to edit. Then click again the Remove Background button to process your image. From the editing section, you can zoom in and out as well as duplicate your image. Click the Optimize Manually button to use the brush tools for your image and click the check icon to go back from the editing section. You can also change the background image by using its built-in colors. It also offers an amazing backdrop template that you can use on your image freely. Click the save icon on the upper right corner of the interface to save it. And that's how you can use the Android app called aPowerSelf Pager Remover. Thank you for watching.